How to start a digital product business 2026. All right, guys, so welcome back to the channel. And in this video, I'll show you how to start a digital product business from scratch in 2026, step by step. We'll cover everything from choosing a product to actually making your first sale. And here we go. So, the first thing you actually need to do is choose a profitable niche. A lot of people miss out on this because they feel they can actually do what their competitors are doing or do it better. Now, in order to make sales as a profitable business or as a business that's just starting out, you actually need to pick the right niche. A niche is a good solidifier. It really helps anchor you to a business platform or rather a business style. Choosing a niche where people already spend money puts you ahead of the competition. If you know the niches to look out for, if you know the niches that work in your community, in your country, and you take advantage of that, that keeps you at a really high level when it comes to decision making and actually gaining some productivity from your niche in terms of customer relations and everything in between. All right, so there are many niches you could go with. You could go with fitness, business tools, AI tools, graphic designing, finance, even one on one conversations like consultation. That is a niche that is less explored, as well as entertainment. People love to be entertained. So that is a niche you could actually go into as a profitable, as a profitable business, and you could actually get something out of it. All right. So, as a digital product, when selecting a digital product, what you need to actually look out for is what type of digital product you actually want to sell. There's a lot. There's ebooks, there's online courses, there's Notion templates, there's Canva templates. We also have presets. You could basically sell anything as far as it can be converted into a media file or a document file. Anything can be copied and distributed with or without your knowledge. That way, it's better to pick a digital product that belongs to you so that you can have and claim rights to it. All right, so like I said earlier, ebooks are one of the ways to go, and one of the best platforms that supports digital products is Gumroad. So once you've signed in and signed up for your Gumroad account, from the home section, you'll just be dropped at the dashboard where you can see your balance and other pieces of activity within that period. Now, if you head into products, you can go ahead and add a product. You could add things like comics, fitness workout PDFs. You could basically add anything and also attach a price to it and simply make some money from it. But basically, in order to create a product on Gumroad or any other platform, you need to define what that product is. Now, you can create products on both Gumroad and Shopify as they both support the selling and distribution of digital product across markets and stores nationwide. All you need to do is just, like I said, click on new products. Once you have, either select a digital product, a course or title, a course or tutorial, ebooks, memberships, bundles, services that either you're going to be calling or buying coffee and some other stuff. All right, so basically, let's say we want to go with something as easy as a ebook. Now, all you need to do is give it a name. You could find a niche that works for you. I mentioned this earlier, so let's say I want to sell AI prompts. Now, I may not be the best at, selling or creating my own digital products, but there's a way to upscale your deliveries and creation. You could make use of a platform like Canva to cover most digital product requirements and demands. With platforms like Canva and on niches like the fitness niche, you could get pictures of it. So let's just say fitness and hit enter. Once you have typed it in, you could simply take out some of these pictures and use them as the cover to your PDF, your video, your documentary, whatever you can attach a Canva template or a Canva picture to becomes your product instantly. There is no copyright when it comes to using any pictures on Canva. All right. So once you have picked a digital product and you've created your first product by selecting what you actually want, you can customize it on platforms like Canva or even platforms like Shopify. All right, so the next thing is besides creating and customizing, in order to customize, just go ahead and select a picture or template you want to customize, and then you can customize it. Customizing involves even removing the subject, editing the text colors, the text position, removing the text itself, and replacing it with pieces of information that match your channel and niche. All right, so if you were to head over to setting up a store. Now, you could simply place and sell your products on a store. With Shopify, you could actually get your products, your store pre created as you're done with your account. With Gumroad, you don't need to worry about anything. A store is created for you as soon as you sign up. It's the same with Shopify. Only difference is it leads you to Gumroad, and the links aren't that interchangeable except when you go through the route of making payments. That's for Gumroad Premium and some other things. All right, so now the next thing is driving traffic to your platform or to your page. You could do that by, paying for ads on platforms like Twitter, YouTube, Pinterest, Snapchat, and other pieces of social media you can actually share your links to. They can be optimized so your products are seen first and on every single phone or store. All right, guys, and that's how you can go about this. So, comment down below if you have any questions. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more content. Thank you.